With me, I have the OnePlus Watch 4, and in this video, we'll be unboxing the watch, and we will see what comes with the OnePlus Watch. So first things first, I have to remove this nylon, so I'll just cut it out. So once you remove the nylon, all you have to do is just shake the box or try to pull it down. So let's just remove it. So shake it, at least this box to come out. And there you go. Now once you remove the box, the first thing you'll see is the OnePlus Watch 4. So here it is. So let me just remove that. And this is how it looks like. So there you can see whereby you can charge your OnePlus Watch 4. This is where you can plug in the magnetic charger. So let's keep that aside. And then from here we can remove this box and see what is underneath. So there are two sections, which is the charging port, or rather the charging materials, and also the documentation. So let's remove the charging material box. We can just simply open this, and then from here you can see the cable that comes with the with this watch. So it's a type A to type C charging port, as you can see. Type A to type C charging cable, as you can see. And also it comes with this magnetic charger. Here it is. So this is the one that you plug in behind your watch 4 to charge it. So this is how it looks like. So I'll just remove this cover. There you go. And also the documentation. So let's see what's in here. So basically it's just a manual that you can use. If it's your first time using this watch, you can simply read this through, and there you go. I think there's nothing else, but let me just confirm. Yes, there's nothing else. So let me just put this aside. So this is a look at the watch. So here it is. So let me remove this paper on this sticker, and there you go. So that's the new that's your OnePlus Watch with a titanium case. This is the titanium case, as you can see, and then you can see the straps. And also let me just open it up. And there you go. So you can see where you can charge your OnePlus Watch 4 using this one. So it's simply plug it in and you can charge it. So there you go. So that's basically it on the OnePlus Watch 4 unboxing. So it comes with this cable, the magnetic charger case or magnetic charger, and also it comes with the documentation and everything. So thanks for watching. I'll be making subsequent videos for this particular watch. So subscribe to our channel to see more of these videos.